Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll discuss about how to implement or how to create ads for email newsletters. So before we begin, first have to determine the sizes or the ad size in pixels that you would like to run on your newsletters. So if you want to do a 300 by 250, for example, or 728 by 90, it's up to you. And then you have to prepare the creative for that as well. Or if you're working with an advertiser or ad network, they should be able to provide you the tags or the creative that we will be pushing in DFP. Now let's say in this exercise, we are going to run a 300 by 250 ad on the newsletter. To start with, you go to inventory and create the ad unit. Here, let's create a new ad unit, current level. Let's call this newsletter 300 by 250. Copy that so they have the same code and name. And for the size, specify 300 by 250. Do the rest of your settings as applicable, and then you go ahead and save. Once that's done, you go to delivery and orders, create a new order or create the line item under an existing order. It's up to you. In this tutorial, we'll do it on an existing order. Let's create a new line item and we'll call it newsletter 300 by 250. Inventory size, you still target 300 by 250 and apply the rest of your settings. And let's say for this example, we're going to do sponsorship, start immediately, unlimited. Then here you can set up depending on your agreement with the ad network. If the agreement was CPM or cost per click, you have to set that up and put in the rate here so DFP can generate the accurate report for you. So let's say in this example, we will get 50 cents per click. Then target the ad unit and apply any other targeting criteria as needed. Then go ahead and save, upload your creative. In this example, I'm going to upload an image. So this right here and open. And you also have to put here the click-through URL. So where do you want to send your users to if they click your ad? So let's say for this, in this example, Samsung.com. Let's say this is the advertiser. So we copy this and let's say they want this to be their landing page. So you go back to DFP and say that is a click-through URL. You can also click test to make sure it works. There you have it. And then you can go ahead and save it. Once that's done, we don't generate the tag using the traditional or the conventional way of doing it. So what we normally do is we go to ad units and generate tags and all that, right? Now with a newsletter, this is what we do. We use a simple URL tag. So you just go ahead and use this right here. And I'm going to break this down for you. So the first part, that's the standard simple URL that you use. And then this one right here is going to be your DFP network ID. So in this example, I'm going to grab the network ID here, which you can also, that's the same as this one. So I'll go ahead and edit this. And this one right here is the actual name of your code or the ad unit. So let's go ahead and search for the ad unit we created and grab the ad unit code. Oops, right there. So now you're done with this section. Next, size. So you have to specify the ad size that you want to serve. So the one that we just set up was 300 by 250. So we'll go ahead and change that. And that's another thing that you have to do. And the last part here is the correlator value. Now the correlator value needs to change for every single click or every single page load in order to avoid counting discrepancies. And this is something that your developer should do. So you have to find out how to program in a way that the correlator value changes for every single click or page load. This simple URL tag is what works for a non-JS or non-JavaScript environment like the newsletter. So for most publishers to make this work, they need to load, or you guys as a publisher need to load this URL tag in an iframe, and then it can execute the tag that is fetched from DFP. So we traffic that with a creative, and as soon as you serve that or have that deployed in your newsletter, it should still be able to serve this exact size, this ad unit, and that creative that was trafficked in your line item.
That's it for today. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to subscribe to our blog to learn to monetize more. Hope to see you here again soon. Bye for now.